In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft certificates to your LinkedIn profile in just 5 minutes. If you've recently earned a Microsoft certification, showcasing it on your LinkedIn profile is a great way to highlight your skills and achievements to potential employers and connections. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're on the main homepage where you can begin the login process. Now you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication on your account, LinkedIn will send a verification code to your phone. Be sure to have your phone handy to quickly access that code and input it when prompted, as this will help you access your account securely. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on your avatar picture. This is your gateway to view and edit your profile details. Select View Profile from the drop-down menu to proceed. Now that you're on your profile page, it's time to add your new certification. Just below your profile picture, you'll see the option to Add Profile section. Clicking this button will open up a range of options for enhancing your profile. Choose Recommended from the drop-down, as this will direct you to ways you can improve or update your profile to catch the eye of viewers. In this section, you'll find Add Licenses and Certification. Hit this option to open a form where you can input details about your new certification. When the form appears, the first thing you'll do is enter the name of your certification, such as Microsoft Certified Azure Solutions Architect Expert. Be sure to type it accurately, as it will show directly on your profile. Next, select Microsoft from the drop-down menu that appears for the issuing organization. This ensures that the certification is correctly attributed to the right entity. Following this, you'll need to enter the date you received the certification. Depending on the type of certification you have, there might also be an expiration date, so if applicable, be sure to enter that as well. There is also an option to associate specific skills with this certification. This can be an important step, as it links the new qualification to key skills that employers might be searching for. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the details you've entered, click on Save to finalize the addition of your new credential to your LinkedIn profile. And that's it, you've successfully added your Microsoft certification to your LinkedIn profile. This small addition is an excellent way to bolster your profile and showcase your professional development. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks to enhance your online presence.